It's 7 a.m. Saturday morning. I just made my third trip loading up the car. I'm gonna go back up to the hotel and get the girls, and we're gonna head to Telluride, Colorado. We have everything?
No, we don't.
Oh,
have linen.
we got linen. We forgot to get linen. He still crashed. I guess I'll carry him to the car.
What's wrong
What's wrong with this thing? Are they really?
The girl at the register person,
Rude
she
people
didn't
at
say
Starbucks. At the Hyatt Regency. Is this Hyatt?
I mean, so bad. Everybody's been so nice with these people. They were so... So...
Is this one mine for sure?
There's three, yeah.
There's nobody here.
Yeah, that girl was into the other girl.
Is anybody? Well, I guess we just leave. The gate just opened. Alrighty then.
Troy,
Sorry.
I look at the customer next to me and I say loud, I said, I just spent $26 over here. I think I can get a plastic cup.
Yeah.
And she goes, oh, yeah.
Alright, somebody lead me the way.
Lilo, can you help? Where are we going? I don't have my phone. You have a phone, do you know your thing?
Okay, we'll use it right now.
Use the right lane to take exit 155 onto NM 45 north.
Okay. Well, we were going the wrong way.
160 to Mancoast, 180
Sorry.
to Dolores, 145 to Ricotta.
Well, I have it on my maps now. We're going the right way.
Use the left two lanes to keep left to merge onto I-40 east towards Santa Rosa.
Ooh, I'm hot now. Made me sweat
Because you messed up?
because I messed up.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
So right now we're in the middle of nowhere, basically. It's pretty. The roads are good. Elevation 6,700 feet. And I think we're just gradually going up. Temperature 77 degrees outside, so that's nice, because I know back in Waco it's like 100. Speed monitored by aircraft. Huh. I don't believe that.
No,
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean?
I don't know, I guess you get stopped by a plane.
The lunar gun.
Like a plane lands on your car.
Drones?
I don't know. It could be drones.
Could it be drones?
Probably.
Is a drone an aircraft?
A drone is an aircraft, yeah. Do not drink and drive. So we just crossed the Continental Divide. We're at elevation 7,000 feet. It seems like the land is starting to flatten out some. There's some hills on this side, but this is pretty flat. So I guess we're kind of entered into a different territory. There was a sign back there that said this was Apache territory. So that's pretty cool.
On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again.
Serious Texas.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
It's 12:45. We are at, what is this place called?
Matilda's.
Steamworks Brewing Company in Durango. I'm feeling a little woozy, starving. All I had was some Cocoa Puffs at about 8 this morning, so I need to eat something soon. Hopefully our food will be here soon. I feel like I'm about to pass out.
Order chips.
No,
Maybe you're driving too much.
I'm driving too much. It's exactly right.
phone died.
Robin, did she call?
Yeah, could you tell?
I just kept circling anyway, so.
Okay, he sees we have getting in the car. Don't do the middle
They
finger.
can't wait
No.
1 freaking second.
I know, right?
A big city with a lot of people doesn't stress me out, but a small town
Yeah.
with a lot of people,
We got you this one.
so stressful. I don't think I could ski.
I think I could.
I couldn't even go up the lift. Just
Really?
For real though.
no. I mean, you're just sitting there and that thing's taking you up the mountain. I can barely go up the mountain in a car without freaking out.
Well,
I really don't like heights at all.
I would do it. Definitely. I do the tram too.
You're more of a
It's not really
daredevil
being
than
a
I am.
daredevil. It's just doing something that other people do.
This over here, it's a little more, maybe not as bad. I could probably
Not
do
too
that.
bad.
It looks like a bunny slope. So look, there's too many.
But
It seems like there's too many trees. Like, I mean, you
That's
just
what I was
run right
gonna say.
in. You just run into a tree. I would run into a tree and kill myself.
Like in the cartoons,
gonna
when they run
say.
into the tree.
Yeah, yeah.
where do they ski? There's trees
I
everywhere.
guess you just ski in these little places that don't have any trees.
Or
See, there's a little path right here. You just come
Maybe
down.
they cut it during the winter.
no, maybe
Oh,
there's
they're gonna grow back in like 6 months.
maybe
do they?
there's enough snow that goes behind the tree.
Yeah,
I don't think that's so.
there's probably a lot.
I don't think
Why is
that.
that stupid?
I don't think there's that much snow that would cover up a tree.
I like how the trees get darker.
Oh, I
You're
know.
not driving
I know.
straight.
Because I'm looking around.
Well, that's not
Those
safe.
aren't trees that darker, that's the shadow.
Never mind.
Ava said, I like how the trees get darker.
That's a shadow,
I-
Ava.
Yes.
Yes, it's a shadow from the clouds.
See? Oh, there's a river. It's a bridge.
Is it what? Is it really?
Are you gonna go in the woods?
Shirt on. Get your shirt on.
So wait, are you front?
No,
Slippery. There you go. Well, that would be cool if we saw a bear, huh? Would we run? What do you do if you see a bear? What happens if we see a bear?
buddy?
What do you do if we see a bear?
what to do?
I kick it.
Kick it. Yeah.
I kick
Use
it and pull.
some ninja moves on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna kick it like pop, pop,
Okay.
pop.
I feel much safer now.
Daddy needs to go get it.
I don't think the
Yes.
or whoever's here.
Yeah, it's right here. We see it.
We found it.
Okay, we see it. Thanks, Emily.
All right, we got it.
Is it 2 stories?
Yeah. When
What
it's
are
not
we
gonna
doing?
fit in the car.
What is that?
It's not gonna fit in the car.
What is
It's not
that?
gonna fit.
Put it next to Ava.
Oh my gosh, the mosquitoes are coming
I know,
in!
we're trying.
Oh my god!
Let's just tell him it won't fit in the car.
No, we have to.
We have to take it. Put it next to Ava.
Yeah.
Put it next to Ava.
No, it's following him. It's gonna come to me. No. No, I don't want. No.
What is it?
I don't want a mosquito in here.
I know there's mosquitoes. We gotta get rid of this. That sucker's bigger than a person.
I'll move it. Go.
Okay, ready, go. Okay.
For me.
Good seat
Yeah.
on the floor? And in the middle?
Me.
Yeah.
Really me.
Oh my God, there's giant mosquitoes here. Holy.
How about 6 months here, 6 months in Hawaii?
Yes. It's 6 months.
Look at this guy.
Whoa! Dang, this is like
It's
a
dark.
This is so nice.
There's a fan.
What the heck is this? Whoa!
Is there AC here? Is there a balcony?
Look at our view!
Is there a balcony?
No.
Oh, there's no balcony.
Look at it.
Wow.
You can't see. Look, there's a smaller one I think
wow.
for kids.
Why don't we have a balcony?
I want this bed. I call this bed and
Yeah,
I call
me
this
too.
side. I call this side. I call this side.
Darn it! You